In this video, I'm going to share with you some jewelry I purchased. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you came. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click that bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, today I am sharing with you a package I received in the mail. Now, if you're not familiar with it, it's Paparazzi jewelry. Now, my sister sells Paparazzi, and I ordered a few things from her. I have some things coming, 2 more coming in the mail. Yeah, your girl has been busy. So I thought I would share these with you so you can see this beautiful jewelry, because if you didn't know, my skin is very sensitive. Now, excuse the rattling. I hadn't opened anything. I was waiting to open it all with you all so you can see everything just as I opened it. Now, I ordered this gorgeous necklace here. It's silver with the grayish looking silver crystals on it. I thought this was really pretty. It has beading, and it also comes with a pair of complimentary earrings here. So here's the first necklace set I bought from her. And then I ordered okay, and then I ordered this yellow set. I thought this was really pretty. Look at this. I love that. With the pale and then the darkest beads on it. Oh, I can't wait to try that on. And then it has a small little complimentary beads, earrings, and they're the light color to match the lighter stones in this necklace. This is gorgeous. I love it. And if you're wondering, this is only $5 for each piece. Now the next set, I think this is pretty. This is a bracelet. When I saw it, because it had the copper in it, look at that copper. You know your girl's a copper girl, right? So when I saw this necklace with this bracelet with the copper in it, you know I had to have it. Copper. Beautiful. And then I saw, of course, to get copper bracelets, you need a pair of copper earrings. But you know what? She had a pair on her show she did the other night, and I think I like them better. But these are copper earrings I purchased from her. I think they came out really, really pretty. I love the jewelry. I love the fact that, oh, wait a minute. Forgot one thing. Thought I emptied the box. Okay. I thought I had ordered 2 bracelets. Yep. Okay, now this is one of those bangle bracelets. I saw this. I thought it was cute. Right here. I like the little bangles on it. Now I got that one too. So I ordered 2 bracelets from her, 2 necklaces, and a pair of earrings. And the ones I have coming, I think I have a bracelet, and I think some earrings. I think I ordered from her again. So I will have the information for my sister's Paparazzi. It's Paparazzi Paradise, or Paradise Paparazzi. It's Paradise. I'll put it down below. Hold on. Yeah. I'll have my sister's information for her Paparazzi website down below. All her information, her Facebook group, her VIP group. She's also on Instagram. So I will put all her information down below so you can see her and look at her website and see what she has to offer. She has some really nice jewelry. I think you ladies will enjoy it. I know you will because y'all love jewelry just like I love jewelry. You like to have a little flash and a little dash, but you always don't want to spend the flash to get it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that you would check out my sister's website down below. And also, you all be blessed.